welcome back to April's Mobile Home Tours. We're out here looking at another double wide. Okay, we're walking into the living room, and y'all know I love that wall. The kitchen is right here. Sorry about that beeping, it's like the smoke detector. We're gonna walk past the kitchen into the first bedroom. This is small, but nice. No carpet, but you can see the size. It's pretty small, probably the kiddo's room. Has a window, a little closet. Very small closet, but it's still nice. This one's a lot more basic. This is the bathroom, the guest bathroom. Little vanity. Got your sink there. It's your tub shower combo deal. Pretty nice. A big old bathroom. There's your toilet. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna look at this kitchen again. Lots of cabinet space. Got your window, your island. Nice island. It's kind of basic compared to ones that I've seen, but it's still nice. Got your dishwasher, your cabinet space, and your stove. Countertops, pretty good. Plenty of storage space. Refrigerator, surrounded by more storage space. Has the sliding glass doors, the dining area. Okay, so you can see how much space. You probably get a table and some chairs in there. Right across from the dining room is a closet. Looks like they didn't really finish up too much of the construction for this one. And there's a bedroom. Okay, let's walk in the bedroom, see how big it is first. It's a nice size bedroom. You can definitely get a king size in there. King size bed. Decent closet. Lots of closet space. Actually, I have a lot of stuff in here, so couldn't tell how big it was. It's pretty big. You could walk all over the place in that closet. Big old window. This is actually the master bedroom. I didn't realize that, but this huge bathroom. And I'll let you see if there's some light. Okay. Plenty of vanity space there. Double vanity with lots of cabinet space. Huge tub. Tub and shower combo. Have the bathroom toilet hidden behind here. And a little place to hang your towels and everything. A little closet. It's one of these open closets where they don't put a door on there. Let me know what you think about this bathroom. Looks like they have a lot going on in this double wide. And that's it for this one. Seems pretty basic, but you know, nice and simple. Let me know what you think about this one. I especially like the countertops. It's the way they have it designed is so much storage space in the kitchen, which is probably why they don't have a pantry in this one. Okay guys, this is another double wide. I'm starting to see a lot of these. If you're enjoying it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel because I need subscribers. And guys, it's free. Just click that button. And I'll see you in the next one.